Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make tomato and beetroot soup, which is not only healthy and nutritious, but tastes equally good. So let's get started with this healthy and tasty soup recipe, which you can enjoy during this winter. So first heat a pan and add around 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil and a small cube of butter. When the butter melts, I'll be adding some chopped onion. Only half of an onion is enough. Small pieces of ginger. 2 to 3 garlic pods which I have cut lengthwise. Adding onion, ginger, garlic will enhance the flavor of the soup. On medium flame, saute them for a while. Next, I'll be adding one small beetroot which I have chopped into medium size. As we know, beetroot is a rich source of iron. Also, adding beetroot will give a natural red color to our soup and will balance the tangy taste of tomato. Next goes the main ingredient, which is tomato. I have de-seeded the tomatoes and cut into medium size. I have used here 6 medium tomatoes. Now saute everything on medium flame. I will now season with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. Give a mix. And now we will cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame so that they cook faster and become soft and mushy. Let's check once. The beetroots are half cooked now. I'll be adding a little bit of water and we'll let this simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. In the meantime, we will make the croutons. I have taken here 2 bread slices. First, we need to trim the edges of the bread slices. Next, cut into strips like this. And now we need to cut into small cubes. So our bread cubes are also ready. Next, heat a pan and add around 1 teaspoon of refined oil and a small cube of butter. Spread evenly on all the sides of the pan. And when the butter melts, add the bread cubes one by one. And we need to roast them golden brown from both the sides. Now flip the sides. I will add some more butter now as we need to roast the other side also golden brown. So our croutons are also ready. Now let's check the beetroot and the tomatoes. They are very soft and mushy now. So I'll turn off the flame. Next, place a soup strainer on a saucepan and pour the tomato and beetroot into it. Now press with a spoon so that the pulp easily passes through the strainer. Scrape up the pulp from the strainer as well. Now place the saucepan on fire. I will season this soup now with 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Give a mix. To make this soup slightly thick, I will use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, to which I'll be adding a splash of water to make the cornflour slurry. Add this into the soup and we will simmer the soup until it thickens slightly. Finally, I'll be adding a small cube of butter. And now our soup is ready to be served hot. And here goes our healthy and tasty tomato and beetroot soup. I will garnish with some fresh cream and a coriander leaf on top. Serve with some croutons and enjoy this delicious soup hot with your dear ones. And if you like my today's video, then do subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more such healthy and interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.